rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is your brother Yahya Ibrahim with another Ramadan gem. As the month of Ramadan comes to an end, begin to think about Zakat al-Fitr. Zakat al-Fitr is an amount of food or its equivalent in wealth that is going to bring happiness to every Muslim in your community, and if everyone in your community, then abroad from you, that they have something to break their fast on the first day of Eid. Zakat al-Fitr is something that is not tied to the validity of your fast. Don't confuse it that it is a tax you pay just to make sure the mistakes in your Ramadan are forgiven. No, your Ramadan is accepted. But Zakat al-Fitr is a haqq that Allah has determined for those who are less fortunate in our Muslim community. Who has to pay Zakat al-Fitr? All of us. You as a father, your wife, your mother, your brother, your sister, even infants, those who are still being held and suckled, you should pay Zakat al-Fitr for them. It is the amount of an honest meal that you would consume and be happy with. For us in Australia, it's $12, right? So see what is the Zakat al-Fitr that is accounted for by your community and Masjid. Make sure you pay it before the Salah. And you can do it 1 or 2 or more days before the day of Eid comes. Don't wait to go on the day of Eid and say, now I'm paying Zakat al-Fitr. Pay it early on so that Muslims around you can be sufficed and be happy on the day of Eid as Allah has blessed it for you. May Allah accept your fast and my fast and make us from those who are fortunate. Allahumma ameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.